Hey there, folks. My name is Aerica. I'm a muralist, illustrator, installation artist, designer, general doer, but that's not really important right now. What I would like to talk to you about is my light dynamic piece, the Mesmer. It is a mural that I painted over the period of about 3 weeks. It is 12 feet long, 8 feet tall, and as mentioned, it is light dynamic. So in order to kind of explain how this works, let's have a little bit of some basic light physics and color theory. The human eye is essentially only able to see 3 colors: red, green, and blue, in various layering and levels to create the full world of color that you see normally. So this piece is a white panel painted with cyan and magenta ink, which creates a pretty, albeit very chaotic image. So let's go ahead and isolate that down to just a few basic LED lights, ranging between red, green, blue, and a few layers in between. So, this illusion that we're experiencing here, say for example when red light is shining on this piece, the magenta ink is reflecting back the red light at about the same frequency that the white is reflecting back that light, creating the illusion of a red wall. While the cyan, having no red in it, cannot reflect red light. It can only absorb it, making it appear black in nature. Same thing happens with the blue light. The blue shines on this piece, the cyan reflects, the white reflects, and the red magenta absorbs, making it appear black. As these lights change, so does the image, shifting and undulating in a way that makes it appear as though 2 images are isolated and apart, but also layered and united in a harmonious fashion, when in reality it is the same painting. It's not changing, your perception is. So, yes, thank you. And I just wanted to share and talk about this piece a little bit. I'll go ahead and leave the video running so you can just experience it without me talking over it. If you're interested in seeing more works like this and other eclectic pieces of mine, be sure to follow, subscribe, like, whatever it is you do these days at Aerica.raven at whatever your favorite social media device is.